guys, it's Sophie, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I created this mermaid look. So if you want to see what products I used and how I created this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing I did was I put the NYX eye pencil in milk through my eyebrows to lighten my eyebrows, because as you can see from the intro, I was wearing a blue wig, so I want my eyebrows to be blue. So I'll just put that through my eyebrows, and then the next thing after I've done that is I'm going to brush it through them with a spoolie. And as you can tell, I am doing a voiceover because something happened to my microphone and I'm not too sure what. I'm going in with my NYX Ultimate Brights palette and I'm taking that blue colour and I'm going to do my eyebrows. Okay, now that I've done my eyebrows, I'm going to go in and colour correct my face because I have dark circles. And I want to go in with like a glam look, so I'm using the Barry M colour corrector in, I think it's called Tapioca, which is actually for medium to dark skin tones, but it works really well for covering up my dark circles. Once I've blended that through and I look quite scary, I'm going in with the Revolution Conceal and Define in C0, which is a white concealer, to just brighten up where I've concealed and add a bit more coverage. Next, I'm going in with this light blue colour from my NYX palette and I'm putting that through my crease. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this purple and also put that through my crease and a little bit on my outer corner. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use that blue that I used for my eyebrows and I'm going to put that through my crease. And then I'm going to take that lighter blue shade and put that all over my lid. I'm taking that darker blue and I'm using that in my outer corner and bringing it up to my crease. Now I've done that, I went off camera and added some lashes. These are the Unicorn lashes in Forget Me Not. The next thing I'm doing is my foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour Foundation and mine is in 15 Porcelain. And the next thing I'm doing is my concealer. This is the Revolution Pro Camouflage Concealer and mine is in C1. Next thing I'm doing is powdering my face. I'm using the Bake and Finish powder by Revolution. And the powder has a stopper which makes it really difficult to open, especially if you have nails, so I genuinely used a pen lid to open it. And then I'm going in with the NYX palette again. I'm taking the light blue shade. I'm just going to contour and technically bronze with that. And once I've done that, I went in with the 80s style fishnet gloves, and where the thumb hole is, I just stretched it out a bit. I'm putting it on my ears for support and I'm just going to stretch it over my face and dab the eyeshadow in to make like a mermaid scale look. Once I've done that, I'm going in with a Barry M glitter. This is in 04, which is silver glitter. And to put that onto my face, I'm going to use the Barry M Glitter Fix Gel. And I'm just using a flat brush and putting that where I'd highlight my face, just to make sure you don't put it in your eyebrows. Used a flat brush to just flatten that in. And then I'm going in with the glitter on the same flat brush and then I'm just going to press that into my face. And then I'm going in with the same blue eyeshadow that I used for the rest of my face. I'm just taking it down my shoulders and down my neck. And then went in with the fishnet gloves and I put scales on my shoulders. Then I didn't have a blue lipstick, so I went in with an MUA Prison Lip Kit, which is a pink lipstick and then a glitter topper lip gloss. And then I went in with the purple lip lacquer from Revolution, so I'll put that one on first, and as you can see I'm lining my lips with it. And once I've put that on, I'm going in with the glitter. I'm going in with the glitter topper because I wasn't expecting it to show up so well on top of the lipstick, but as you can see it really did. Okay, so this is the finished look. I went off camera and added a wig, which is like £9 from Amazon. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and really help me out. And if you aren't already and like to be, hit that big red button down below, subscribe, become a Thorny, and member of our family. If you'd like to follow my social media or check out any of these products, links down below. Have a great day. Bye guys.